Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I have unboxed this a few times on my channel and it is a fully curated Korean beauty skincare box. It is not a subscription box. It is a one-time, similar to like the Trend Mood where you would go on and purchase it. It is the Skin Star Korean Beauty skincare box. And this is basically for any of you skincare enthusiasts who either have not gotten into Korean beauty or you're looking for a fully realized skincare routine and you don't know where to start. Because the upside of this box, which is why I do enjoy unboxing it for you guys every month, is that it is a fully curated skincare routine. The box itself will go through all of the steps you will go through, what you use for what, in what order, day, night, etc., all in one place. So for people looking to really start a skincare routine, it is a great, easy way to start because once you finish the toner in the system, buy a different toner, replace that toner, switch it out, maybe customize your routine, but it really helps to get you in the process of consistently using your skincare routine. So if you want to see me unbox and talk through all of the products in the Skin Star box, most of which I have already used before, make sure to keep on watching and please don't forget to subscribe because I upload 3 times a week and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you're ready to jump into this box with me and talk skincare and K-beauty, stay tuned. Now, the Skin Star box does have a different retail value every single month, so I will link all of the information down below. But like I said, it is a full curated skincare routine. Inside the box itself, which I will hold up for you, it gives you the order that you want to use everything in, what it does, how to use it, and all of the products inside. And then under this flap are all of the products. Now, because this is not a subscription box, it is a curated skincare routine, there are duplicate products from month to month because this is not designed for you to purchase it every single month. It is more for you to buy it, get your skincare routine in order, and then if you want to get it every month because you like items, you can. But I have noticed that there are certain items I've received twice in the past 4 months. There are certain items I might have even received 3 times, and I will go into all of that. But first product out of the box, which is going to be your step 1, is the Essent Tea Tree Foaming Cleanser. Now, I am currently using their Tea Tree Foam Cleanser, but it is the one in the squeezy tube. This is a different formula to the one that I have used. That one is a little bit heavier and a little bit more tea tree, so it's more for oily skin, whereas this one is more designed for your, anybody can use this. This is not specifically for oily skin. More importantly, this is going to be helpful for blemish-prone skin. Anybody with congestion, pore clogging, tea tree is an amazing ingredient. Now, I'm keeping this sealed because I don't like opening products that I have no intention of using immediately because, again, on all of these products, there are going to be expiration dates. So you want to make sure that you're only opening your products when you're ready to use them. But I am quite familiar with the Essent line. I have now been using 4 or 5 of their products for months. So I'm really excited to try this out. But I currently have 5 open cleansers in my shower and like a backup of like 10 ready to go. So I'm just going to put this into rotation when I finish. But from a brand standpoint, a tea tree oil, I can already tell you I trust this brand. And more importantly, tea tree is an amazing ingredient, specifically if you are acne prone, blemish prone, breakout prone in general. Amazing, especially for those of you with teenagers at home. The next product out of the box, this is actually the 3rd time I've received it. It is the BRTC pH 5.5 Peeling Gel. Now, this comes in an orange squeezy tube, and this is basically a dupe for the Boscia Peeling Gel. Now, it is a lightweight exfoliator that when you put, it's a cream, you rub it in, and you will feel your dead skin bead up. I exfoliated last night, so I'm not going to be exfoliating on camera today because too much exfoliation is bad for your skin. But you will feel bumps and like clumps of dead skin on your fingers after you use a product like this. It's a little strong, so I don't love using it on my face super often, but I will tell you my like insider secret is I use this on my hands and feet. Nothing is worse than having rough, calloused hands. Even if you're working with your hands every day, it is great to have nice, soft hands. So I go in with this once a week where I will massage it into dry skin and it will peel off all of the dead skin on my hands. Then I will actually follow up with a serum and a hand oil, which will then lock in the moisture so my hands can stay nice and soft. Next, from the same brand, is the BRTC First Ampoule Essence, which is an intensifying treatment. This says that it is a Hydra Barrier Probiome complex. Now, in Essence in general, this is a twist off. This product, I actually only have one open Essence, so I'm going to open this so we can smell it and play with it today. Aiming for clean beauty, tested for skin irritation. When you're using an Essence specifically, essences are designed to enhance your skin and allow the rest of your skincare to penetrate deeper. Now, I know for a lot of people that is an extra product, so a lot of times you're looking for like 3 or 4 items. This, I'm going to say, is the most optional in your skincare routine. An Essence is great because it'll cause the rest of your skincare to penetrate deeper. It'll allow your other skincare to be more powerful and work stronger, which is great for getting better money or better value out of the money you're spending on your skincare. But if you're looking for like 4 steps, Essence is not going to be the first step you're going to want to add. So it is a super lightweight water-based formula, which is amazing. All essences pretty much are. The way you apply this is you put it in your hands and you pat it around the skin, allowing your skin to soak it up. Now, it does have a very neutral scent. I'm not even getting any form of fragrance off of it, which for me is preferred. I don't love a lot of fragrance. I used to use the Tatcha essence, which was loaded with fragrance, and unfortunately, it started turning me bright red. It started making my skin flushed, and I was completely unable to use it, so I like when things don't have that scent. It does have almost a powder finish. A lot more essences will have a little bit of tackiness to them. This one does not. It actually feels super smooth. So for those of you with more oily skin where essences might make you super glowy and radiant, I don't think this one will. What I am going to remind you guys, though, is that for all skincare products, it is going to take you 28 to 60 days to really see results. So I'll be able to tell you after a first impression if I like how it smells, if I like how it feels, if it's gross and sticky. But as far as efficacy of ingredients, whether it works or not, 1 to 2 months minimum to know if it's doing things. When I was working at Sephora, nothing would frustrate me more when a client would buy a serum, go home, and the next week bring it in and say, I would like to return this. It didn't work. And I'd be like, well, you've only used it for a week. And I'd remind them that it takes 28 to 60 days for your skin cells to turn over, and that's when you'll see the results, and they just want faster results. And I used to tell them, if that was the case, the bottles would be this small, you can use them for a week, and then skip it for 6 months, and just do super intensive treatments once every 6 months, but they're not, and that's why serums and all of these products are larger sizes, because 1 week is not going to be enough for you to see those results. The next 2 items out of the box, the next 3 items, I'm going to gloss over pretty quickly because I did receive all 3 of these at one point or another, but I'm going to give you the general idea. First is going to be the Pure Heal Scintilla 80 Eye Cream. It is a nice eye cream. Scintilla is a great ingredient for anti-inflammatory and hydration. I like this one. I don't love this one. I think this is great for people with normal skin who don't have a lot of concerns with their under eye. So great for people, especially if you're in your mid to late 20s and you're looking to just start using an eye cream because you haven't been using one yet. My eyes, I have some pretty pronounced lines already, even though I'm only 30. So I like something that's a little bit more firming and anti-aging for my eye creams. So I have used this one. This one will be dropped into an upcoming giveaway because it's just not a product that I personally will be using a second time, unlike my Murad one that I'm obsessed with. But if you're looking to get into eye creams, this is a great item for like an entry-level eye cream. Next is the Pure Heal Scintilla 70 Cream. Same Scintilla ingredient, which runs through their entire Scintilla line. I really like the way this feels. I don't get greasy. I don't get slimy. It's really nice. The only downside is if you have an issue with fragrance, it basically smells just like Vicks Vapor Rub. I have used it before. Brandon has used it extensively. It's currently in my bathroom right now. I like the product, but when Brandon is like, all right, which moisturizer should I use with XYZ tonight? And I tell him Scintilla, he's like, is that the Vicks one? And now that's what we call it, the Vicks moisturizer. It works well. It is a great product, but if you have an issue with fragrance, that is definitely something to think about. And the third of the items is the V10 Peeling Pads. They are a pre-soaked exfoliating cleansing pad. I have a bottle of these in my bathroom as well. I've already been using them for weeks. They sent me the regular ones and the peeling ones, so I go back and forth between the two. I really do like them. This one, however, I will be dropping, not into a giveaway, I'm actually giving it to a friend's husband because he's looking for some skincare and likes pre-soaked pads, so it's a little bit easier for him to use. So that has already been claimed, but I love the product. It does work really well, but how many pre-soaked towel pads does one person need? So I'm going to pass on this one and put it in a giveaway, but currently it is in my bathroom. I enjoy it, I like it, and it is a great product. And that also does come with a cute little tweezer, so you don't have to stick your fingers in there. I keep the tweezer right on top of my jar, and I just pull out a single one at a time. And 3 more products left. The next one is also from Essent Herb. It is a pure tea tree oil, which I love tea tree oil. Like I said, it is the same line that brought you the cleanser from this box, as well as the cleanser I got the last 2 boxes that I love. Something like this is great to use as a spot treatment or as a finishing oil. If you ever have like a blemish coming up, take a little bit of this on top and you will see it decrease in size. Now, another thing I love about this box is it does kind of give you a little once-over on each product in the line, so you know what it will do. As a spot treatment oil with 100% tea tree, it is great for caring for troubled skin. So I love things like this. I know that I have one from Murad that I like. I have one from Tarte that I have liked, the Blemish Bully. All of those are basically just tea tree and salicylic acid. So the fact that you have a pure tea tree that you can use as a spot treatment is amazing. That's not going anywhere near a giveaway. That's mine. And the next 2 products both come from the brand CL4. I called it CLIV the first time I unboxed this, and I wasn't thinking. CL4, they are both retinol-based products, so they are your intensive anti-aging care. Retinol is an amazing ingredient, but it does take some getting used to. So I have said it before, you want to go once a week for a while, and then eventually build yourself up to 2 days on, 2 days off with your retinol. Another thing with retinol is if you put this on and you skip your sunscreen, words are hard today. If you put this on and you skip your sunscreen, it is actually just going to make your skin worse. So with well, I say sunscreen is mandatory every day, even if you're staying inside anyway. But most importantly, if you're using a retinol, you will actually be doing more damage with a retinol and no sunscreen than if you skipped both altogether. First of the 2 items is the CL4 Retinol Lifting Ampoule Mask. This is a lifting ampoule that fills the gaps of sagging skin to make your skin feel more tight and elastic. This is a sheet mask, and it does come with 5 different applications. Now, like I said with retinol and sun and skin, this is actually the first product that I would want to really demo on camera. However, you're going to have to come back to a future video because unfortunately, I do not use retinol during the day. I know there are some people who say that you can and it's okay. I am not one of those people, but I'm really excited to try this out. I've been using their brand's under eye serum. It's the Gold Ball, and I really have been enjoying it. Something that is just universally accepted. Korean skincare is just amazing. Some of the best in the world. And then to pair with those masks are the CL4 Retinol Lifting Ampoule, which is from their premium line. This is going to repair, anti-age, lift firm elasticity, and lessen the appearance of wrinkles. So all in all, it is just anti-aging. Now, one thing I did want to just kind of fill you in on, the difference between an ampoule and a serum. Technically, they are both serums. However, an ampoule is going to be much more lightweight, easily absorbed into the skin, and definitely water-based, whereas a serum could be both water, oil, gel-based, the works. So it's going to be much more lightweight. If you're using ampoules and serums, always use your ampoules first. And that is this month's Skin Star box. Honestly, I'm so excited to put whatever I haven't used into my routine and start playing with those, as well as have some backups on some of the items I have loved from the box. Let me know down below what you guys are thinking. What are your thoughts on this box? Are you planning on picking it up? This is an amazing idea, especially for people who are looking to either start a routine and they haven't before and they just don't know where to start. It is a great place to start because it's going to tell you what everything does, and most importantly, you're going to get a full, this is like having Brett Guy Glam at home. It's going to give you every step you want to use, in what order, how it works, what to use AM, what to use PM, everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.